the 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.